Greetings, mathematicians. Today we're looking at Unit 2, Lesson 17, shortcut methods. And let's see, our objective. All right, let's take a look at that objective. Read it with me. I will multiply one digit by four digits using the standard algorithm and the subtotal methods. We've done both of these before, but let's highlight what we're working with. It's one digit by four digits. And let's see, we are working with the subtotal methods, and we are working with the standard algorithm, also known as grandma style. We've discussed that in class. All right, let's take a peek. After you've got our title and our objective written in your notes, we're going to work with this first example. It's 4 times 2,237, and we're going to start off using the subtotal method. All right. We are starting off that subtotal method, and then we're going to move on to the standard algorithm. Let's take a look down at our subtotal method. We're going to do the subtotal method two ways. We're going to start left to right. We're going to go right to left. If I were you, I would pick two different colors. I've got a purple and a blue handy, so I'm going to use both. And I'm going to go ahead and copy the problem. I'm going to give myself enough space that I can work this out. So I've got 2237 times 4. We're going left to right. And essentially what we're doing is we are distributing our 4 to the thousands column. Let's start off. 4 times 2 is 8,000. So we end up with 8,000 because we're multiplying 4 times 2,000. Next up, we're going 4 times 200. 4 times 200 gets us 800. From here, 4 times 3, it's really 4 times 30. So we get 120. And the last bit, 4 times 7, we end up with 28. Let's add them up. We get 8. We get 4. We get 9. We get 8. So our answer should be 8,948. It's a little sloppy. Hopefully yours is a little bit neater than mine. Now, very similar, the right to left model. Instead of starting at the thousands, we're going to start at the ones. So we're going to end up with the same answers, just in an upside down order. 4 times 7, we're going to get 28. 4 times 30, we're going to get, you guessed it, 120. 4 times 200, we're going to get 800. 4 times 2,000, we're going to get 8,000. And when we add them up, we should get the same number here. 8, 4, 9, 8. Wouldn't you know it, we got it. So at some point today, let me know, which do you prefer? Do you prefer multiplying left to right with the subtotal method, or do you prefer right to left? All right. If you need to pause for a moment, go for it. Otherwise, we're moving on to grandma style. That's right, everyone. You heard me. Grandma style. Standard algorithm. The grandma style. We're going to use the same sample problem. 2, 2, 3, 7. We're multiplying by 4. I'm going to give myself some space. All right. And again, we are distributing. So I'm starting 4 times 7. 4 times 7 is 28. My 8 goes down, new group above. Next, I'm going 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 2, 14. My 1 goes up. And I'm running out of colors. I've got a darker blue here. Let's go with that. I'm going to go 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1, I get 9. Go back to my purple. Now I'm doing 4 times 2 again. I get 8. Oh, wouldn't you know? I've got 8,948. Now, there are many ways to solve these problems. We've worked with area model. We've worked with subtotal method. We've worked with standard algorithm. But many of you like the grandma style. It works. It works. The only issue is we get caught with our new groups. Now, the key to this one is neatness. If you like this one, you've got to do it neatly. All right, next steps. Pretty easy stuff ahead of us. We've got classwork, page 85, and you're only doing questions 8 through 19. This can absolutely be done with a partner, and you can check at my check station with a stamp. After that, you're going to head over to Prodigy, and let's see, we've got homework, page 61 to work on. All right, mathematicians, I will see you at the round table. Have a great day.